Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Marta Lucia Nivia. I study industrial engineering. I got to speak about the company code, the Kodak company. Description of Kodak. Kodak was the largest multinational company for its photographic material and cameras. Kodak and Fujifilm dominate the photography industry for decades until digitization revolutionized the industry. Colombian industry for almost a century. But what was not visionary at the time, always wanted to stay the same, did not detect the possibilities. They had to have much more success. And when he decided to do it, was too late for the company. And finally, that is my diagram Kodak Case. The principal problem was Kodak's main problem was not thinking about customer needs due to resistance to change and adaptation to new technologies and ending in failure. The causes, the company was facing organizational and managerial problems. Insisted on using traditional technologies, inability of the company to change the business, and did not generate added value with the internal and external resources it had. That causes have some consequences. For example, Kodak is no longer competitive, but management led them to failure. Weak financial position, lack change in business diversification, and lost customers. That's all. Thank you very much.